How do I go about replacing the starter on my Generac 12 kW? It's about 7 years old, and there doesn't seem to be an easy way of removing the rear cover.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer for the solution to your problem. My name is XXXXX I am going to assist you with this. What are the model and serial numbers of the genset?
Model 04456-3. Can't find serial hash.
There is no easy way to remove the back panel from this genset. I have uploaded the disassemble procedures for you. Click here to download them. Please remember to rate me a 3 or higher, or reply to me if you need further help.
I did not find that information very helpful. It doesn't specifically address removing the rear generator housing. It is for removing the stator, rotor, and engine. I just want to access the starter, provided removing the rear housing is the way to do it.
The only way to remove the back housing is to remove the rest of the housing first. There is no other way.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.